Continue. Delay in accepting Shabbos. Oh, okay, so I apologize. So that was not the topic. So I apologize. The big topic is a second. Halachal Neiros. Hadlakas Neiros. It's lighting of the candles. So now topic is delay in accepting of Shabbos. There are certain instances when a woman can light the Shabbos candles and nevertheless not accept Shabbos upon herself. If she makes a tenai, stipulation, that she is not yet accepting Shabbos, either verbally or mentally, then it is not Shabbos for her until the sunset arrives. Okay, so let's finish reading and then we're going to explain. Nevertheless, this loophole, I'm not sure why he's calling loophole, may be utilized only if there is a special need, such as a woman must still daven mincha, or she must still make preparation for her leil tevilah. Okay, we're going to explain. And one should ask halachic authority in such a situation to determine if it qualifies for adequate need. So let's see. And actually, we're going to add other authorities, other leniencies. So if there are other leniencies, we actually can rely on other leniencies. So usually, as we said before, a woman accepts Shabbos when she lights the candles. Right? When she said blessing, she lights the candles. Okay, but sometimes she needs to do something else. For example, she's afraid that if she's going to light the candles, she would forget to daven mincha, or she would not have enough time after mincha to light the candles. So even though technically you can start mincha before the sunset, and according to many opinions, even after sunset, if it's not proper, but still, even if you start 1 minute before sunset, you can continue and finish in case of the need. But if she would start mincha now, she would miss the candle lighting, right? So since it is a mitzvah to daven mincha, so she would light the candles, right? And in her mind, she said it's not Shabbos yet. She cannot accept Shabbos, because if she said that it's Shabbos, how can she daven weekday mincha? Right? Logically, it's contradictory. So that's why she would say, I'm not going to accept Shabbos here. And even though they say that you can do this stipulation mentally, I would say it's better to do it verbally. For just speak out for yourself, just to hear you save speaking, right? It's like, because sometimes people think that that's what they thought, but in reality it is not. They meant to think about in all of the details, but they did not. But when you say it out loud, for sure it's good. Okay, so and this leniency, he's calling it loophole. I'm not sure it's loophole. It sounds to me very illegal, but there is nothing illegal about it. So one exception when she needs to daven mincha, and another she needs to do preparation for leil tevilah. So sometimes a woman her night to go to the mincha to mikveh to daven. Go down to mikveh is actually Friday night, and in many mikvahs they actually open. So the one next to us, not far from us, they open. So of course you have to prepay money. That's what they require. Otherwise, you when you come, it's already Shabbos, right? It's Friday night. It's Shabbos for sure. So you're not allowed to dip before the sun. So it's after sunset, after nightfall. It's different customs. Sephardim more lenient, and Ashkenazim is more strict. So they usually ask in the mikveh, so in the one that we use, right? You're Ashkenazic or Sephardic, or they know you, so they know they would put you a little later. So sometimes a woman may make appointment a little earlier, right? But they say, you're Ashkenazic, no, you have to wait, because by according to your custom, because not all of the women so knowledgeable, so you have to wait another 15 minutes. So it's not a big deal, 15 minutes, but still, or she goes to prepare. Okay. So other needs, for example, she needs to go to I don't know. I would say some if she needs to drive somewhere, right, or somebody would need to drive her somewhere. For example, the whole family is going over to someone, so that's very common. So they would drive one way, so leave the car there and then walk home. So just to save themselves a walk. But she would light the candles in the home if she wants to. So she makes the stipulation, does not accept Shabbos.